Good morning, and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the dollar-yen pair, where we'll be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.3% in the last 3 sessions. The stochastic RSI has collapsed into oversold territory. Bitcoin has added 0.1% in the last session. The CCI transitioned sharply into positive territory. The price of gold has gained 2.6% in the last 2 sessions. Stochastic has shifted into the positive area. The price of crude oil has added 1.4% in the last session. Stochastic shifted sharply into the positive zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
World stocks skirted towards record highs on the prospect of a coronavirus vaccine and additional U.S. economic stimulus. There are now more active Bitcoin users than ever before, as CEOs of both PayPal and BlackRock think about the future of finance. The dollar clambered off a 2.5-year low as investors assess the likelihood of further fiscal stimulus in the United States.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Australian trade balance will be released at 0:30 GMT, the German services PMI at 8:55 GMT, the Eurozone's market composite PMI at 900 GMT, the Eurozone's services PMI at 900 GMT, the Eurozone's retail sales at 1000 GMT, and the U.S. continuing jobless claims at 1330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.